Welcome to Bethel Ridge Townhomes, an extension to our Bethel Ridge community featuring one-car garage townhomes with private backyards and everything included. Finally, own a brand new townhome for less than you think in a convenient location seconds from I-65 for easy access to everything you love in White House, Nashville, and more. Bethel Ridge Townhomes offers the home you want at a price you'll love. Here, you'll choose from new homes with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 1,400 square feet of living space. You'll find spacious kitchens with granite countertops and a kitchen island and all appliances, including your washer and dryer, which are just steps away. With an upstairs laundry room, forget lugging heavy baskets of clothing up and down the stairs. We think you'll love ending your day in your owner's suite for some much-needed rest and relaxation. Your new room is complete with a private bathroom and walk-in closet, so you'll never run out of storage space. Not to mention, you'll finally be able to host the annual summer barbecue in your very own private backyard, something you don't typically get with a new home, let alone a new townhome. Leave the lawn care to us with all your mowing included from the day you move in. Hello, free time. We know purchasing a home can be scary, but at Ryan Homes, you'll have a dedicated team of experts with you every step of the way. Take the next step and schedule your visit today to find out why Bethel Ridge Townhomes is the perfect place for you.